Emergency, 6-year-old Jude is waiting to see the doctors with his mum.
What's up, fella?
I've got a stone in my ear.
Oh dear, how did that get there?
Just put it in my ear.
Oh, you put it there? OK.
Let's find out more, shall we? It was circle time at school.
Ooh, I love circle time.
OK. Anyway, Jude was daydreaming and playing with the carpet.
Ooh, he's a tiny explorer in carpet jungle. He probably discovered a sticky sweet or two.
Hello.
And some fluff.
No, he found a stone.
Oh, yes. And the stone wants to play chase. Then it jumps up high to catch him flying through the air.
No, Xand. Jude just picked up the stone and popped it into his ear.
Oh, ouch.
I need to get some tweezers.
Best let the professionals decide. Here to sort it out is Dr. Suzanne Barron.
Hello, Jude.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
What happened to you?
Put stone in my ear by mistake.
By mistake. Oh, that's not so bad then. Was it a big stone?
Whoa, that big?
Medium.
Medium big. Okay.
Dr. Barron begins the search.
Pull it a little bit.
You in there, Stone?
Whoops, there it is. I can see it. It's a little grey stone, right in the middle of your ear. We'll try and suck it out.
High five, bro. Let's do this.
Dr. Barron's using a vacuum to try and suck the stone out.
Okay. It will tickle and it'll be very noisy.
Oh, that's noisy.
Oh, I'm not even in there yet.
Come on, Stone. Out you come.
I think it has moved a little bit. The right way. So we'll try again.
It's moving, but will it come out?
No, I think it's wedged in there.
The stone won't budge.
Sometimes we can't get these things out if they have a rough surface. The next thing we need to do now is to refer him to the ear, nose, throat surgeons. I'm sorry the vacuum cleaner didn't work today.
The stone is still in my ear.
Don't worry, Jude. We'll be back later to sort that out.